If you're not familiar with Cadence and Tensilica, we're a very successful IP provider. So we have shipped over 40 billion processor IP. In terms of DSP licensing revenue, we are number one. 19 of the top 20 semiconductor vendors use Tensilica IP in one or more of their products. And we have a very strong partner ecosystem, over 200 partners and growing. Aside from the business, want to also highlight a few places where we've had some recent success. So one example is Unisoc, formerly Spectrum, multiple application processors featuring our Vision DSPs in there. Then we recently made an announcement with Light Semiconductors where they had instantiated several instances of our Vision DSPs to do accelerations for their depth perception stack. And last, we also had a successful engagement with XVisio, one of the leaders of SLAM and 3D camera tracking. And we have a demo for that at our booth right outside. So now that we got this stuff out of the way, let's go into the meat of the talk. So basically here I'm highlighting the trends in processing and the different types of sensors that I use. So if you look at the top row, you've got automotive applications, robotics, drones, mobile phones, and a variety of different sensors are used over here. You've got image sensors, radar, LiDAR, 3D ToF sensors, the large number of sensors, high FPS, low FPS, sensor fusion, all sorts of things going on. But one place that has been picking up a lot of activity is this. Ultra low power AI and this always on island. So let's dig a little deeper into what exactly this is.